Okay, if you go to my formazione.itch.io, you will find a new version here of PySnake. Images are a bit confused here. And there it is. You go here and you just download it. Just goes $2, but you can download it for free here. The last version is this one. And in this one, you will find both the source and the exe. So just go and save it somewhere, like pygames.games, wherever you want to call your folder. Save it here. Go here, showing the, wait for it. It's 46 megabytes because there is the exe file and some other stuff. Extract everything. Go into this and you can run the exe file like this. Open, or you can have the source code. Look at the max score, 333. Now, sorry, I got two screens, goes in the other screen. Okay, and there it is. You don't see the music, but there are some nice kind of music. And there is this moving fly here. Still have to fix something, because when the fly is next to the border, it can go out of the screen. And so I'm gonna fix it in the next version, sorry. And okay, when you dig enough and you have eaten all the fruit, you will start again. We start with a new level, and then you will have to eat more fruits, and the fly will be faster. Also, you will be faster, so there will be less time to take the other fruit. And in case you don't know, when you dig, you lost stamina, your strength. So if you don't want to lose strength, just go and eat your fruit as soon as you can, or you can go into the part of the terrain that you have already digged, so you don't lose strength because you don't dig. And that is almost all for the version 2.0.3.